just singing away on February 2nd. In that tree. A couple of the birds already left. There he goes.